PlanetTogether has flexible system settings so you can customize the app to support your daily workflows and for your convenience. Some settings address your individual needs, while other settings are for all users. To view or change the settings, click on the blue Settings tab in the upper left to reveal a list of system settings categories in the left navigation pane. In this video, we'll take a look at import mappings. This is a mappings wizard that allows you to go from one step to the next to import objects into PlanetTogether. You can click on this list, this drop-down list, which lists all of the steps the wizard goes through. When you're first setting this up, you simply click back or next to go to the next operation. And this is where each field is mapped and it's all set up from your SQL databases into PlanetTogether with the fields. And you can check which ones are required or you're going to put into PlanetTogether. You can preview your map data here, and then you can browse your source data with this button. You can also enable distinct in order to get the right records that's needed. On the bottom left is where you can save your mappings. You can also, on the bottom right, test the settings and then perform the import. To return to the main screen, click on the back arrow icon in the top left corner.